Hey, what's up guys? So in this video, we will see how to fix Safari not working on any iPhone. Now to do that, first of all, just swipe down from the top right of the screen and open the Control Center. Then open the Connection section in the Control Center. Now from here, just tap on the Airplane Mode and enable Airplane Mode on your iPhone. Now just wait for a few seconds, then tap on Airplane Mode to turn off Airplane Mode. Now once you have done that, and if this did not fix your issue, just force restart your iPhone. Now to do that, just press and release the volume up button and the volume down button. Now just press and hold the power button until the screen of your iPhone goes black and the Apple logo appears on the screen. Now once the Apple logo appears on the screen, just release the power button. Now after that, just open Settings. Then go to Apps. From here, just open Safari. Now from here, just tap on Hide IP Address. Now if it is enabled, just select Off. Now after that, just go back and tap on Clear History and Website Data. Now from here, just select All History and tap on Clear History. Now once you do that, after that, just scroll down and tap on Advanced. And from here, you will find the option of JavaScript. Just enable JavaScript on your iPhone. Now, after that, just go back. Now, in the Settings app, just go to General, then tap on iPhone Storage. Now, in this section, just search for Safari, then tap on Safari. Now, from here, just tap on Website Data. Now, if there is any website data, just delete the website data on your Safari app. After that, just go back and tap on Extensions. Now, if you have any extensions installed on Safari, just delete it from here. Now, after that, just go back. Now, for the last step, in Settings, just go to General and tap on Software Update. And from here, just check if you have any software update available. If you have any software update available, just update the software of your iPhone. Now, as you can see, our iPhone software is up to date. But if you have any software update available, just update the software of your iPhone. And this is how you can fix Safari not working issue on any iPhone. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Thank you for watching.